friends, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel. I know I promised you a Gucci review on my last Gucci video, so I have another one for you today, and it is something that I have been, oh, you can see the Gucci right there. It is something that I have been using for about a month now, so now I can give you a lot of feedback and an honest review on this Gucci item. So here is the box that it came in. And of course it did have the green ribbon wrapped around it, but like I said, I've been using this for about a month, so that's why it's not on there. And here is the little dust bag that it comes with, and the authenticity papers. I am going to tell you exactly what I paid for it because, as you know, I am very transparent on here, and I would want to know too if I was interested in the item. So this wallet was $620 plus whatever tax rate is in your area. So here is what it is. I got this Gucci wallet, and like I said, I've been using this for around a month now because I wanted to see how it held up, because I'm super rough on my wallets, and this has held up so well. And I have tried to be careful with it, but I mean, you know how it goes. You're in a hurry, grab your wallet out of your bag, and you kind of just pull and stick the cards back in there, and it can cause some scuffing and stuff like that. So, and this is a lighter color on this wallet, so I knew that it was probably gonna get some marks on it from the cards. And so I wanted to be able to show you how bad or severe that would be. This is like a tan beigey color, and it has the gold hardware. And I don't want to show you all of my crap, so hold on. Let me move some cards around here. Hey, it is Next Day Michaela, and I decided to show you guys the inside of the wallet without the cards in it, just for personal security reasons, and because I also wanted you to see the indentations really well that the cards make on the wallet. And here is the inside, and you can see there's some little scuffing and marks on the leather from where the cards go in and out, but it's nothing crazy, and I don't mind it at all, honestly. Like, I'm sure I could get these off pretty easily. But here are the card slots. You can do 4 cards on each side, plus there are these inside pockets that I showed you before. And here is where the cash goes. And the zipper on this does not work very well. So I don't see myself using this very often, honestly, but it is there if you need to put like some change or some jewelry in there maybe. And then I just kind of make it where this little zipper is underneath the button so it doesn't just like dangle around everywhere. This is probably one of the best wallets I've ever had. I love it so much, and I can see myself getting another one in maybe a different color, but I highly recommend. That's a negative, especially on an item this expensive. You would expect it to have a very smooth zipper. So that is the only thing I didn't like about this wallet, but also this is the exact size I was looking for. So I decided to pick this one anyways over some of the larger ones, or even some like the little card wallets. I really like the look of this one, and I knew that going into it about the zipper because I tried it out in the store. So that is just on me. But also, I'm not sure, like there may be this exact style that the zipper's smooth on, and maybe this one is just a little defective, but I just wanted to pick this one up in the store and use it right away because my old wallet was torn. There was like a lining where the cards went, and so every time I would go to like put the card back in, it would get stuck in the lining, and so it was really irritating, and I just wanted to use this right away. Overall, this is a great wallet. The leather on it is great quality. The only con that I have about it is the zipper. So if that is super important to you or something that you would be using often, then I probably wouldn't go for this one unless you just try it out and make sure the zipper is smoother on yours. But I really like the color matching logos. It's not too flashy or crazy. And it overall is just a really nice wallet. And I love this so much. It's the perfect size that I was looking for. And I don't know if this had a name. Maybe it did and I just don't pay attention. But I literally walked in the store, seen it in the case, and I was like, I'll take it. Like, even the salesperson was shocked because I decided so quickly. I don't know, on the receipt it just says women's SMLG. So I don't really know what that means. I can give you the item number if you would like to look this up. The item number is 813-469-894. This has been one of my favorite designer purchases lately, and this is my only designer wallet that I have. My last wallet was like a little cheap $20 boutique wallet, so I was super excited to be able to get this, and I really, really like it overall. And the funny thing is, I went into Gucci looking for handbags and I walked out with a wallet and a pair of shoes. So I didn't even look at the bags. Somehow I completely forgot. So that is what I'll be checking out next time I go in Gucci. And thank you so much to my sales associate in Charleston, Jason. You're amazing and so helpful, and I will be back to look at the bags. And I just love Gucci's aesthetic. I love the green bags and the red boxes. It gives Christmas vibes, but it also gives, it's giving sophistication. Another thing that I love about Gucci is honestly, it's on the more affordable end of designer items. So I originally went in Louis Vuitton and checked some stuff out, and honestly, Louis Vuitton has went up so much. Like, I remember getting my first Louis Vuitton bag and it was not that expensive. And it is literally double, I feel like, now. So I did not end up purchasing anything in Louis Vuitton. I ended up going in Gucci and I found what I was looking for. So if you're in the market for any Gucci items, I highly recommend checking these out. Their wallets are amazing. Their shoes, I love Gucci shoes. Like, they're so good. And I hope you enjoyed my last designer video on the Gucci shoes, and I really hope that you like this one as well. And if you have any friends or family looking for Gucci items, please go ahead and share this video over to them, because I know how much I love watching designer item videos. So thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. I also made a shorts video of this wallet and I did an unboxing for you guys. So if you would like, please go check that out. So if you think you would love to see the unboxing, go check that out. And please subscribe to my channel if you're just a viewer and you just randomly came across this video. I would really appreciate the support, and there are more designer videos coming in the near future. And I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me. See you soon.